Hello and welcome back, Better Health community. We've all heard it a million times. Exercise more if you want to live longer. But that's pretty vague, isn't it? What if the real secret to a long, healthy life, what scientists call an extended health span, isn't just about doing more, but about doing the right kinds of things? What if you could guard your body against the downsides of aging with just a handful of specific movements? Before we blast into the details, take a quick second to zoom out, turn your phone to the side and subscribe to the Better Health and Wellness community. As a member, you'll get science-backed weekly content about healthy tips, workout routines, music, superfoods and more delivered to your phone or desktop. Our members also enjoy discounts on our organic vitamins and supplements when you shop online. Link in the description. Better Health, Wellness, and Fitness. Because better health is for everyone. We got curious about this question. So, we dug through mountains of research, from huge population studies to detailed analyses of how the human body works. We sifted through the data and boiled it all down to a powerful, simple blueprint of just 5 exercises. Now, these aren't random tips from the gym. These are examples of the most effective, science-backed movements that are associated with protecting your heart, your muscles, your mind, and your independence as you get older. They're the foundation for what longevity expert Dr. Peter Attia calls the centenarian decathlon, the idea of training today for the things you want to be able to do when you're 100. And the first one on our list is the most fundamental, and maybe the most overlooked, exercise of all. The first problem we're tackling is one of the biggest engines of aging, the slow decline of our cardiovascular system. Poor heart health is linked to almost every chronic disease that can shorten our lives. But the fix isn't necessarily hours of punishing, high-intensity workouts. It's consistency. And one of the best exercises for building that consistent cardiovascular base is brisk walking. Now, before you click away thinking, walking is too simple, hear what the science suggests. Multiple large-scale studies have shown that regular brisk walking is a powerful tool for increasing both lifespan and health span. For instance, a study in BMJ Medicine, which followed over 100,000 people for decades, found that a faster walking pace was associated with a significantly lower risk of early death compared to those who walked the slowest. Why is it so effective? Brisk walking, we're talking a pace where you get your heart rate up, can improve your heart's efficiency, help regulate blood sugar, maintain healthy blood pressure, and reduce harmful inflammation. It's like daily maintenance for your body's most critical engine. The goal isn't a leisurely stroll, but to get into a state where you could hold a conversation, but you'd rather not. This is the sweet spot known as Zone 2 cardio, a cornerstone for many longevity experts. The general recommendation is to aim for at least 150 minutes of this kind of moderate activity a week. That's just 30 minutes, 5 days a week. It's one of the single most accessible and effective habits you can build for a longer, healthier life. The second big challenge of aging is sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle and strength. This process starts earlier than you might think, and its effects are serious. Weakness, especially in your legs, is a direct predictor of losing independence and is linked to increased mortality. The ability to get up from a chair without using your hands is a real-world test, and if you struggle with it, that can be a wake-up call. The solution is our number 2 exercise, the squat. And no, squats aren't just for powerlifters. At its heart, it's the fundamental human movement of sitting down and standing back up. Training this pattern directly helps you keep navigating the world with ease. As we age, strong legs are what let you climb stairs, get out of a car, and most importantly, catch yourself to prevent a bad fall. In fact, one observational study highlighted that people with higher leg extension strength had a lower risk of death from all causes compared to those with the lowest strength. The squat builds that functional strength through your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. You don't need a heavy barbell. For many, the perfect longevity version is the sit to stand. Put a sturdy chair behind you. Lower yourself with control until you're seated, pause, and then, without using your hands or rocking for momentum, drive through your heels and stand back up. That's one representative. Aim for a couple of sets of 10 to 15. As you get stronger, you can move on to bodyweight air squats. This simple, powerful movement is a direct deposit into your strength piggy bank, helping ensure you have the physical capital to live independently for decades. Problem number 3 is one of the scariest parts of aging, losing your balance and stability. Falls are a leading cause of disability and even death in older adults. A simple trip can turn into a broken hip, a long hospital stay, and a swift decline in health. This happens because our ability to control our body and space, our proprioception, can fade over time. An exercise that directly fights this is number 3. The lunge, or other kinds of split stance work. While the squat builds raw, two-legged strength, the lunge teaches your body how to be strong and stable on one leg at a time, which is how we actually move. Walking is just a series of single-leg balances. Climbing stairs is a single-leg movement. Catching yourself from a stumble? That requires instant single-leg stability. The lunge trains this exact coordination between your brain and your muscles. By stepping into a lunge, you challenge your base of support. Your hips, knees, and ankles have to make tons of tiny adjustments to keep you from falling over. This strengthens not just the big muscles but all the small stabilizing muscles that are so crucial for balance. To start safely, use a wall or a chair for support. Try reverse lunges first, since they're often easier to control. Step back, lower your back knee toward the floor, and keep your front shin vertical. Then push off your back foot to return to the start. The goal isn't to lift heavy, it's to move with control. Adding lunges or split squats to your routine is like taking out an insurance policy against falls. It keeps you feeling stable, confident, and upright. Our fourth problem is a mix of declining grip strength, poor posture, and a reduced ability to handle everyday objects. Think about it. Carrying groceries, lifting a suitcase, or holding a grandchild all require a strong grip and a stable core. And surprisingly, grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of long-term health. Studies consistently show that low grip strength is associated with a higher risk of all-cause mortality. Our number 4 exercise tackles all of this at once: the farmer's carry. It's brutally simple and profoundly effective. You pick up something heavy in each hand, and you walk. That's it, but its genius is in its simplicity. First, it's one of the best exercises for developing raw grip strength. Second, to walk upright with that heavy load, your entire core, abs, obliques, and lower back, has to work in overdrive to keep your spine stable. This builds a rock-solid torso and promotes good posture. Third, it's a full-body workout. Your shoulders, back, hips, and legs are all working together. It's the ultimate functional movement. Dr. Peter Attia uses this in his framework, suggesting a high-level goal for a man to be carrying half his body weight in each hand. You can start with dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy grocery bags. The key is to keep a proud chest, pull your shoulders back, and keep your core tight. Walk for distance or time. The farmer's carry doesn't just make you stronger in the gym, it makes you more capable in every part of your life. Our final problem is the decline of upper body strength, especially pushing strength. The ability to push yourself up off the floor or push a heavy door is a key marker of functional independence. Losing this makes you more fragile. The solution, and our fifth and final exercise, is the timeless push-up. The push-up is a masterpiece. It builds strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it does so much more. To do a proper push-up, you have to keep a rigid, straight line from your head to your heels, which makes it an incredible core exercise, like a moving plank. It teaches full body tension and control. Unlike a bench press where you're lying on a bench, a push-up forces your whole body to work as one unit. This integration of upper body strength and core stability is what makes it so valuable for the real world. And the best part? It's infinitely scalable. If you can't do one on the floor, start by pushing against a wall. When that gets easy, move to a countertop or an incline bench. Over time, you can work your way down to the floor. The goal isn't to be a push-up master overnight, but to consistently challenge your pushing strength wherever you are right now. Regularly practicing push-ups helps you maintain the upper body power and core integrity to interact with the world confidently, preserving your physical freedom. So there you have it. 5 types of movement that science suggests are critical for a long and healthy life. If you found this blueprint helpful and want more science-backed strategies to optimize your health, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. And give this video a like if you're ready to start building your own health span. Let's recap the blueprint. 1. Brisk walking for your heart. 2. Squats for your leg strength and independence. 3. Lunges for balance and fall prevention. 4. Farmer's carries for grip and functional power. And 5. push-ups for upper body and core resilience. The journey to a long, healthy life isn't about extreme workouts. It's about consistently practicing these fundamental movements. It's about taking control of your health, one representative at a time. Start today. Your future self is going to thank you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.